This 2024 Forest River Aurora 39 MBTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Cincinnati, Ohio 45251 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Cincinnati. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleep 8, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunkhouse, front kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.